The fastest growing fiber internet got even faster. Again, dahil ang doble na, di noble pa. Converge FiberX Plan 1.5 from 100 Mbps is now 200 Mbps. Doble ulit ang bilis, doble ulit ang sulit. If you're an existing subscriber, automatic upgrade ito. And if you want to make it permanent, just agree to our new terms and conditions. As simple as that, no new application, and it's absolutely free. New Converge FiberX Plan 1.5. Ang dobleng sulit, new offers from Converge. Doble na, di noble pa!
Big or small celebration, make it special, make it big.
Taba, B-Meg! Bilis kita! Tinuloy-tuloy ko hanggang B-Meg Premium Grower 1 and 2. May Lean Plus technology, kaya mas mabigat at manipis ang taba sa pagbenta. Kaya tuloy nyo na! B-Meg! Bilis kita!
The fastest growing fiber internet got even faster. Again, dahil ang doble na, di noble pa. Converge FiberX Plan 1.5 from 100 Mbps is now 200 Mbps. Doble ulit ang bilis, doble ulit ang sulit. If you're an existing subscriber, automatic upgrade ito. And if you want to make it permanent, just agree to our new terms and conditions. As simple as that, no new application, and it's absolutely free. New Converge FiberX Plan 1.5. Ang dobleng sulit, new offers from Converge. Doble na, di noble pa!
Big or small celebration, make it special, make it big.
Good afternoon, Bicolanja. We welcome you again to the second matchup this Sunday. It's the UST or the STI Olympians versus the UNC Greyhounds. I am Christina Cansoreas and with me is Rick Puerta at kami po ang maghahatid ng aksyon dito sa loob ng ADNU NAGA University Gymnasium.
Yan, Tin, tamang-tama ka nga. Pangalawang laban ngayong araw na ito. The Olympians versus the Greyhounds. So kanina nakita natin ang bakbakang ACC Green Serpents versus the CCDR Wildcats kung saan ang ACC Green Serpents malinis ang kanilang record dito sa ating larong ito. 4-0 papasok sa ating quarterfinals. And dito sa ating juniors division, ano kaya ang magagawa dito ng ating SCI Olympians? Should they get their first win or will the UNC Greyhounds get this match?
Yan nga, Rick, kaya aabangan po natin mamaya ang bakbakan ng dalawang kupunan na ito. Kaya po, if you're just at home, pwede po kayong mapanood ang ating live coverage via One Media TV 48 NAGA Bucal Facebook page and also sa Oragon Sports TV. And if you're available po, welcome na welcome po kayo dito sa loob ng ADNU NAGA University Gymnasium dahil mamaya po, for our last game, it's the Mariners Blue Dolphins versus the NCF Tigers.
Yes, Tin, isang laro din na inaabangan ng ating mga manonood dito sa loob ng ADNU NAGA Gymnasium. And for sure, lahat ng games ngayong araw na ito ay magbibigay na mainat na bakbakan sa loob ng hardcourt. So I'm very excited kung ano ba ang ipapakita ng SCI Olympians together with the UNC Greyhounds ngayon. And kung sino ang makakakuha ng panalong ito.
Ayan nga, Rick. This is the last week of the elimination at magsasama-sama po kayo next week for the quarterfinals of the Bucal Season 5. And now as we can see, the UNC Greyhounds nagre-ready na sila for the matchup against the STI Olympians. At para makikita ng update all the way from their side, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Rain. Hi Rain, anong update natin dyan?
Hello, Rick and Tin. We are live here at ADNU NAGA University Gymnasium. I am Rain Reyes and I will be your courtside reporter on the side of the University of Nueva Cáceres Greyhounds. According to their coach, they have already started in conditioning the team with preparations on the quarterfinals, and by means of this, they are ready to go all out and win today's match. Even though there are still struggles with regard to their venue when it comes to their trainings, they are still prepared and determined to end this match in victory. Lalong-lalo na that this is the first time that the UNC Greyhounds will be playing complete. Kaya naman abangan natin kung anong mangyayari sa laro nila ngayong araw. Only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon, and on One Media TV 48 NAGA. That's it for now. Back to the panel.
Ayan, thank you so much, Rain, sa pag-update. So napakinggan natin na kumpleto ngayon ang players ng ating UNC Greyhound. It means na talagang well-equipped sila when it comes to the basketball execution, and syempre makikita natin dito kung gaano kahanda ang players ng UNC. And dito naman sa ating STI Olympians, gutom nga sila sa panalo at gusto nilang makuha ang kanilang unang panalo dito sa ligang ito. At para makingi tayo ng update all the way from the side of the Olympians, let's call our courtside reporter Chen. Hi Chen, anong balita dyan?
Hello, Tin and Rick. Good afternoon to all the viewers and supporters here at Bucal Season 5. This is Chen Shaira Nicolas all the way from the bench of STI Olympians. Forgetting their losses and mistake is one of their adjustments since they need to bounce back stronger. This time, the Olympians intend to play with composure and use every effort to win this game. Will they finally take home their first victory? Rick and Tin, we will see. Kaya tutok lang sa ating Bucal Facebook page only here at One Media TV 48 NAGA and Oragon Sports TV. Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Chen. Kaya abangan natin maya-maya kung ano nga ba ang maipapakita dito ng ating STI Olympians to get their first win against the UNC Greyhounds. Kaya bago po tayo magsimula, pasalamatan lang din natin ang ating mga sponsors. Maraming salamat po sa Big, sa Havaianas, and the Elise Sportswear. Maraming salamat po.
Yan, Tin, syempre pasalamatan naman natin ang NAGA College Foundation, Home of the Champion, Gold Glofa Construction, Lemon Residences, Lemon Experience Home Living, Anjana Trading, presyong maaasahan sa kalidad na mapagkakatiwalaan. DMEC Premium, sa totoong premium feeds, mabilis na ang paglaki, mabilis pa ang kita. NCF Wings, because tigers can have wings.
Ayan nga, Rick, in just a few minutes, magsisimula na po ang ating second matchup, the STI Olympians and the UNC Greyhounds. Kaya aabangan po natin yan. Sa record nga dito sa ating bracket B, ang ating UNC Greyhounds, meron na silang 2 panalo at 2 talo. While on the STI Olympian side, hindi pa rin sila nakakatikim ng kanilang unang panalo for this season. Kaya titingnan naman natin kung ano nga ba ang may ihahandog nila dito sa atin ngayong araw. At of course, sa kanilang mga supporters na present ngayon dito sa loob ng ADNU NAGA University Gymnasium.
Yes, Teen, syempre lahat naman dito magpapakitang gila sa loob ng hardcourt. Kasi alam naman natin na papalpit na ang quarterfinals and kailangan talaga ditong manalo ng bawat kupunan. So aabangan natin yan in a few minutes.
Yan. Sa ating pagbabalik po, magsisimula na po ang bakbakang STI Olympians and the UNC Greyhounds only here at Dragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
And we are back here at the ADNU NAGA Gymnasium sa pagpapatuloy ng ating laro. Now, kung nakikita nyo sa screen, magsisimula na nga ang pinakahihintay na bakbakang Greyhounds versus the Olympians.
Now, jump ball tayo. First ball possession na pupunta dyan sa UNC Greyhounds.
At yun nga, unang puntos dito galing kay Agnas on the side of the Greyhounds.
Now, Cario, key player of the STI Olympians with the ball. Now going inside, no good.
Now ball possession ngayon ng Greyhounds. And a traveling violation was called on the player of the UNC Greyhounds.
Ball possession ngayon ng STI Olympians. Cario again with the ball. 20 seconds to shoot here. Cario taking their time. Simula ng ating first quarter. Passes it to Rabang. Now Rabang hahanap dito. Back to Cario. Now passes on the inside. Zamora. No good.
Now, Amaro. Dire-diretso sa loob. No good.
Now Rabang secure the ball for the Olympians. Diretso dito. Passes to Cario now. Cario. 13 seconds to shoot. Going inside for a layup. That's good.
Ang gandang ginawa doon ni Cario. Now, UNC basketball. Amaro with the ball. Looking for his teammate. Now, Tuazon on that opportunity. 2 points. And dagdagan pa yan ng free throw para sa kanya. Now Tuazon on that free throw line. Another point coming from Tuazon.
Now, Basalote. Pass to Rabang. Now, Tocario. 16 seconds to shoot here. 3-point lead coming from the UNC Greyhounds. Di diretso again. Cario for a layup. No good this time, but offensive rebound coming by Zamora.
Now, Tuazon again. Makakakuha ulit doon ng 2 points.
Cario now for the Olympians. 2-7 on our scoreboard. Basalote with the ball. Pass it to Cario. 10 seconds to shoot here.
Back-to-back steal.
Now Basalote tries. No good. But the ball will go on the side of the STI Olympians. Still a 5-point lead by the UNC Girls. Napatawag na nga ng timeout shot ang STI Olympians with 7 minutes and 41 seconds remaining. Only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
And we are back here at the Ateneo de Naga Gymnasium for our first quarter. 7-2 sa ating talaan at abante ng 5 dito ang UNC Greyhounds.
Now we're only waiting for the UNC Greyhounds here. Still on the lead ang kanilang koponan. Now ball possession of the STI Olympians. Rabang with the ball. Surviving the rhythm now, Cario. What will they do? With just 13 seconds to shoot, papasok muli. Jump shot, that's good.
Now, Amaro with the ball. Passes to Tuazon. Jersey number 21 for that jump shot, no good. Now, jersey number 21 on that free throw line for an opportunity. No good on that first attempt. Another missed opportunity on the side of Greyhounds. Back to UNC ball possession. Now, Agnas passes to Tuazon. 10 seconds to shoot. Amaro for that 3 and it was good.
Naitas na nga sa atin dito ang kalabangan ng UNC Greyhounds. Now STA Olympians need to double their effort as Cario with the ball. 16 seconds to shoot here. Pass it to Falabi now. Cario tries. No good.
Now, what a great steal coming from Cario. Amazing player coming from the Olympians now. Tuazon. Itatawid ang bola dito. Amaro with the ball. Passes to his teammate. No good. Second chance point coming from jersey number 9.
Now Cario. 6-12. Half of the score on the UNC Greyhounds. Cario taking their time now. Going inside, driving. Now Jose passes it to Rabang for 3. It's Basalote.
What a good chase coming from the Olympians now. UNC Greyhounds It wasn't on that fadeaway shot. No good.
Cario again. Just a 3-point lead here. Cario driving inside. There's a whistled foul there, so he will be on the free throw line for 2 shots here. 5 minutes and 21 seconds remaining sa ating first quarter. Now Cario on the free throw line for 2 shots. First attempt of Cario, no good. We'll try again for the second time. Cario, clean basket for the second attempt.
Now Amaro with the ball. UNC Greyhounds. Basketball ngayon. Now jersey number 9. No good. And a whistle coming from our referee here. Now jersey number 9. First attempt on that free throw line. A clean basket. Another basket coming from jersey number 9 of the Greyhounds.
No. Cario handing the ball for the Olympians. Taking their time here. 13 seconds to shoot here. Tries for a tip 3. Still no good for him. But again, a whistled foul, so the ball will stay on the side of the STI Olympians. 4 minutes and 51 seconds. Rosaro. Pero napalakas ang pasa doon. So a turnover for the side of the UNC Greyhounds.
Now baksain to inbound para dito sa Greyhounds.
Jersey number 3 tries for 3. Pasalote secured the ball. Now Rosaro. Passes it to Cario. 4-point lead of the UNC Greyhounds. Cario still finding kung kanino nga ba ipapasa. Good point. And 3 shots. No good.
Now, Agnas with the ball. Agnas tries for that 3. No good. Offensive rebound dito para kay jersey number 9. Basket count sa man pa yan ng free throw para dito kay jersey number 9. And a timeout again was called on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. 10-16 sa ating talaan. Magbabalik po kami only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
We are back again here at ADNU de NAGA University Gymnasium for the matchup of the STI Olympians and the UNC Greyhounds. Still on the lead ng ating Greyhounds with a 6-point. Now, one of the players of the UNC is on the free throw line for 2 shots.
6-point lead sa ating talaan dito. UNC Greyhounds with that comfortable lead. No good on that attempt.
Now Falabi passes it now to Jose. Jose is on the floor for the STI Olympians. Cario carrying the ball for the Olympians. Passes it here On the inside, nagkakagawa pa ng bola. But the ball will stay on the side of the STI Olympians. With just 3 seconds to shoot here. Zaldua. Now STI Olympians ball. Zaldua to inbound here with just 3 seconds to shoot. Passes it here. Now Zaldua on the inside. But that's it. Natawagan na nga ng 24-second shot clock violation. So it's turnover for the side. Pero may foul nga na naitawal dyan. Now Zaldua is on the line for 2 shots here. That's good for his first attempt. Zaldua again for the second time.
Now, Amaro for that pass at in and out ball rather.
Nagmamadali dito, James Jose running for the ball. Now passes to Cario. 12 seconds to shoot here. Cario going inside again, tries, and that's good.
Now Amaro with the ball. Passes to Britannico. And now, Britannico. And a great defense coming from the Olympians.
Now James passes it. Pero a point and a foul para dito kay Cario. 15-16. Now chance for Cario here to tie the game against the UNC Greyhounds. Napakagandang performance ang pinapakita ngayon ng ating STI Olympians. They're really giving their all for their last game here at the elimination round. Now Cario for this bonus point, no good. But offensive rebound on the side of the STI. Cario again driving and it shoots right onto the basket.
What a great basketball game para dito kay Cario. Talagang laban kung laban now. UNC Greyhounds, offensive rebound coming from Britannico at makakakuha ng 2 points on that last sequence.
Yan nga nabubuhayan ng STI people here. Now James Jose passes it to Cario. Cario driving inside again. That's good. Hindi alintana yung bantay sa loob.
Now, chance for the UNC Greyhounds here to bounce back. Amaro. And a great steal coming from Jose.
Now, Jerome Jose. But a block. Andyan si James Jose to take on the challenge. But no good on that last attempt.
Amaro, derecho. Pero no good on that. But a whistle coming from our referee here.
Now a heated conversation with these two teams. 19-18. Lamang po ng isang ating STI Olympians. Napakagandang laban at pagsisimula ng ating first quarter.
Yan, nakita nga natin sa loob ng basketball court ang Jose brothers na talaga naman nagpapakitang gilas dito on the side of Olympians. Meanwhile, on the side of the Greyhounds, Amaro, no good on that second attempt. 19 all tayo ngayon.
Now, Cario. With the ball again. Driving inside. No good this time.
Now, UNC Greyhound tries for that 3, no good. Offensive rebound coming from Tuazon here. Amaro, no good on that 3-point Out of bounds ball para dito sa Greyhounds.
Now a chance for the STI Olympians. We are tied at 19 all with the last 58 seconds of the game. Rabang for the Olympians. 54 seconds, tries for a dip 3. No good.
Now, Amaro, dire-diretso pero no good. Offensive rebound dito para sa UNC Greyhounds. Pero whistle coming from our referee here. Now, Rio Dique on that free throw line. No good on that first attempt. One more try for Rio Dique. Taking his time. A basket on that second attempt.
Now Zaldua of the Olympians to inbound here. Still we are seeing a nice matchup between these two teams. Ascario again driving inside. No good.
Tuwazon ngayon, nagmamadali at makakakuha ng 2 points.
Now, Rabang. Last 20 seconds of the game. Cario with a chance to get a point here. What will he do? 10 seconds. Last 5 seconds of the game. Wala pa rin. And that ends our first quarter. 19-22 in favor of the UNC Greyhounds. Magbabalik pa kami for our second quarter only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
And we are back here sa ating laro. Second quarter na at abante dito ang UNC Greyhounds. 22 against 19 of the Olympians. Now, ball possession ngayon ng Greyhounds. Now, Seneta. May hawak ng bola ngayon. A layup. And it was good.
No chance for the STI Olympians para makalapit na sa puntos ng UNC Greyhounds. James Jose with the ball. Passes it. Too strong. So a turnover for the side of the UNC Greyhounds.
Now UNC basketball. Del Rosario passes to his teammate Rio Dique. UNC Greyhounds tries for that 3, no good, pero offensive rebound coming from Rio Dique. Basket count at samahan pa yan ng foul. At para makahingi tayo ng update sa side ng Olympians, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Chen. Hi Chen, anong balita Chen?
Well, Rick and Tin, the head coach always is stating to balance their defense to execute the game properly. Kailangan lang nilang magtulungan sa loob ng hard court because one of their goal is to cherish the experience in this game. Yan muna ang update. Balik sa inyo.
Thank you so much, Chen. Ayan nga. With the first quarter performance of the STI Olympians, we can see that they are really determined to get a win here at the season of Bucal. Now, ball possession of the Olympians, Saldua or Zamora passes it to Rabang, tries for the three, a big three coming from Rabang. Now, just a 5-point lead at para makingin naman tayo ng update all the way from the side of the UNC Greyhounds. Tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Rain. Hi Rain, anong update natin dyan?
Hello, Rick and team. The Greyhounds were told to secure both their offense and defense plays right from the very start of the match. Don't rush, box out, and implement the right defense. And because of this, they were able to win the first quarter. The Greyhounds came in confident and had their cards dealt with. But the next quarter can be the same story. Kaya patuloy natin silang subaybayan sa larong ito. That's it for now. Back to you, Tina.
Train. So yun nga, kailangan tito ng UNC Greyhounds ng magandang basketball consistency if they want to win this game. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 8, Seneta, para sa free throw opportunity on the side of the Greyhounds.
Now, ball possession of the SDI Olympians. 24-32, 8-point lead here. Zamora passes it to Rabang. Now Rabang again tries for three. No good this time, but James Jose was there to get a point for the Olympians. Now, still by the side of the Olympians as Rabang gets another point for the STI. 28-32. Apat na lamang inaabol nila dito. Now ball possession of the UNC Greyhounds. Another point for the side of the UNC Greyhounds. Now ball possession of the STI Olympians. Again, Rabang with the ball. 17 seconds to shoot here. Rabang tries again. This time it's good. Making it just a 3-point lead coming from the UNC Greyhounds.
Now, UNC Greyhounds ball possession. 13 seconds to shoot. Now, Seneta, no good on that attempt. The ball will go on the side of the Olympians.
Chance for the Olympians here to lessen the gap of 3 points. What will they do now? Zamora with the ball. 21 seconds to shoot. Taking their time here. Rabang again. Will they get another 3-point here? Passes it now to Zamora. 8 seconds to shoot. Bantay sarado na dito si Rabang. Now! No good para dito kay Falabi. Napatawag na nga ng timeout dyan ang SDI Olympians. 31-34, 6 minutes and 20 seconds remaining only here at Aragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
And we are back here at the ADNU NAGA Gymnasium for our second quarter. 34-31 sa ating talaan. Tatlong puntos lamang dito ang kailangan ng Olympians to tie this matchup. Now, UNC Greyhounds ball possession. Seneta to inbound. Passes to Del Rosario. Now, a great steal. Back-to-back steal from these both teams. What a great pass coming from the UNC Greyhounds.
Now, Zamora. Pass to Cario. Munti ka nang mawala ang bola. Cario driving, no good. Now, jersey number 15 on the inside, wala pa rin. But now, Rabang. 21 seconds to shoot here. Taking distance on the UNC Greyhounds. Tries again for 3. No good this time. Rebound by the UNC. Jersey number 8 with that point. 7-point lead. Now Rabang. Di diretso sa loob. But Cario was there for the offensive rebound. Passes here to Zamora. Good point coming from them. Nabubuhayan na ang ating STI Olympians people. Now jersey number 8. Pero nagkainitan nga dito sa side ni Cario at ni Del Rosario.
Now, Greyhounds basketball. Seneta to inbound para dito sa ating Greyhounds. Guadalupe. Bantay sarado dito ni Cario. And Cario with a steal. What a great pass and a great fake coming from the SCI Olympians players. Ang gandang laro ang pinapakita dito ng dalawang kupunan na ito. Now, UNC Greyhounds with the ball. The ball will go on the side of the Olympians.
Grabe, napakainit na pinapakitang performance dito ng STI Olympians. 35-38, just a 3-point lead coming from the UNC Greyhounds. This by far the most beautiful performance of the STI. A 3 by Cario, no good for this one. Now UNC nagmamadali dito. Passes to Coros. 4-point para dito sa Greyhounds. Napatawag na nga dyan ng timeout ang ating STI Olympians. 4 minutes remaining sa ating second quarter. 35-40 only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Nagbabalik po tayo sa ating pangalawang quarter sa bakbakang Olympians and Greyhounds. 40-35 sa ating talaan. 5 puntos dito ang hahabulin ng Olympians.
The ball possession of the STI Olympians. James Jose handling the ball for the Olympians now. Pass here to Jerome Jose, his brother. Air ball. But the ball will go on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. Now the referees are discussing. And the ball will stay on the side of the STI Olympians, and they have the chance again to get a point here. Zaldua passes it to Jerome Jose. Now James Jose with the ball. 10 seconds to shoot here. Zamora trying to go inside, driving. Still no good. But this time, ball possession na yan ng UNC Greyhounds.
UNC basketball. A whistle coming from our referee here. And a free throw opportunity dito para kay Seneta on the side of Greyhounds. And a 7-point lead para dito sa ating Greyhounds. Now, Olympians with a ball possession.
Now, Cario. 7-point lead of the UNC Greyhounds. 15 seconds to shoot here. Still Cario. Driving inside. Delivers for the Olympians.
Guadalupe with the ball. Passes to Coros. Coros, diretso sa gitna at makakakuha dito ng 2 points on the side of Greyhounds. Now Coros on that free throw line for an opportunity on the side of their team. Now, Coros taking his time. Another point added on the team of the Greyhounds.
Now James Jose passes it to Cario. Now driving inside, Cario with the defense of the UNC. Still, ball possession pa rin yan ng ating SDI Olympians with just 2 minutes and 30 seconds remaining on our first half. Now, Zamora to inbound. Pass here. Jerome to Cario. 7 seconds to shoot. Cario again driving. No good.
UNC basketball. Seneta tries for that jump shot and it was good.
Now Cario. 18 seconds to shoot. Rise for 3. Big 3 coming from Cario. Just 7-point lead here.
Now, turnover dito para sa ating Olympians. And Amaro on that free throw line again for the UNC Greyhounds. An 8-point lead para dito sa Greyhounds. Last 2 minutes of our second quarter here. Another basket for Amaro.
Now Cario. 13 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds with the defense of the UNC now. But a foul was whistled here on the side of the STI Olympians.
Now another free throw opportunity dito para kay Tuazon. First attempt was good. 10-point lead na dito ang pinangahawakan ng UNC Greyhounds.
Jose with the ball for the STI Olympians. Pass it to Rabang. Now Rabang going inside the block by the UNC Greyhounds. But Zalduo was there to get the ball for the Olympians. Now James Jose passes it to Cario. 1 minute and 10 seconds remaining para sa ating first half. 40-51, 11-point lead coming from the UNC Greyhounds. Now Rabang. The ball will go on the side of the UNC Greyhounds.
Last 1 minute para dito sa ating second quarter. Amaro with the ball. Now, jersey number 27. Passes to Tuazon. Tuazon for that 3 and it was good.
Last 35 seconds for our first half. Cario now. Napalaki na ng UNC Greyhounds ito ang kanilang kalamangan. As Cario again, no good for the side of the UNC Greyhounds.
Now Sineta for that free throw line. For that free throw opportunity rather on the side of the Greyhounds. .15 lead para dito sa Greyhounds. Now Sineta again for that attempt. No good, pero offensive rebound. Now Olympians with the ball.
Last 10 seconds, 7 seconds for Cario to shoot for 3. No good. Now the UNC Greyhounds with just 1 second. And that's it. Diyan po nagtatapos ang ating second quarter. 40-55 in favor of the UNC Greyhounds. Magbabalik po kami for the second half of the game only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
The fastest growing fiber internet got even faster. Again! Dahil ang doble na, dinoble pa. Converge FiberX Plan 1.5 from 100 Mbps is now 200 Mbps. Doble ulit ang bilis, doble ulit ang sulit. If you're an existing subscriber, automatic upgrade ito. And if you want to make it permanent, just agree to our new terms and conditions. As simple as that, no new application, and it's absolutely free. New Converge FiberX Plan 1.5. Ang dobleng sulit, new offers from Converge. Doble na, dinoble pa!
Big or small celebration, make it special, make it big.
Tipis taba, B-Meg! Bilis kita! Tinuloy-tuloy ko hanggang B-Meg Premium Grower 1 and 2. May Lean Plus technology, kaya mas mabigat at manipis ang taba sa pagbenta. Kaya tuloy nyo na! B-Meg! Bilis kita!
The fastest growing fiber internet got even faster. Again, dahil ang doble na, dinoble pa. Converge FiberX Plan 1.5 from 100 Mbps is now 200 Mbps. Doble ulit ang bilis, doble ulit ang sulit. If you're an existing subscriber, automatic upgrade ito.
We are back again here at the ADNU NAGA University Gymnasium for the matchup of the UNC Greyhounds and the NCI Olympians. Now, ball possession of the Olympians. Zamora now. Natawagan dyan ang traveling violation brought to you by NAGA Travel and Tours. NAGA, live your dreams, create memories.
Now, Greyhounds basketball ngayon. Jersey number 28 with the ball. Oh. So jersey number 27 of the STA Olympians committed a foul. And now, jersey number 8, Seneta on that free throw opportunity on the side of Greyhounds. Seneta on that second attempt. No good. One more for him. Another missed opportunity para dito sa ating UNC Greyhounds. Now, Seneta to inbound. 10 seconds to shoot. Jersey number 28, no good on that attempt. At para makingi tayo ng update sa side ng UNC Greyhounds, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Rain. Hi Rain, balitaan mo kami dyan.
Thank you, Rick and Dean. The Greyhounds have successfully ended the first half in victory. Know your zones well and tighten your defense. Huwag tayong ma-pressure and execute the plays instructed to you as their coach reminded them. Don't let the opponent read your moves and be unpredictable for a better chance to score. During the half quarter, the players were instructed to practice free throws and discuss among themselves what they need to do as a team. Rick and Tin, this is the Greyhounds still in the lead. Back to you, Tin and Rick.
Thank you so much, Ray. And nasa UNC Greyhounds pa rin ang kalamangan dito sa ating pagpasok ng third quarter. Of course, they also need to execute well their plays para makapagbigay ng putos on the UNC Greyhounds side. As of now, the STA Olympians medyo nahihirapan sa pagpasok ng third quarter. At para makikita yung update all the way from their side, tawagan natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Chen. Hi Chen, anong update natin dyan?
Thank you, Rick and Tin. We are now at the half quarter, and the Olympians' preparation is already tested by showing their skills and talents last throughout the two succeeding quarters. Still, the coaches commanded to continue emphasizing strong defensive play and maintaining a low field goal percentage for the opponents to lead the scoreboard. That's the update. Back to the panel.
Number 7 of SDI.
Thank you so much, Chen, for that update. So yun nga on the side of the Olympians. Kailangan nila dito ng great defense and great play para makuha na ang kanilang score dito at para mahabol ang score dito ng UNC Greyhounds. Now, jersey number 24, Reo Dique on that free throw line at makakakuha ng additional point on their side.
Olympians, Cario with the ball. Now, nakipagbakbakan sa malalaking big man na UNC Greyhounds. Still, by the side of the UNC Greyhounds.
Amaro 4-3, no good.
Zamora now. 7 minutes on the clock for our third quarter. Cario with 14 seconds to shoot here. Now tries for 3 and he delivers it.
Now, UNC Greyhound basketball. Amaro with the ball. And a whistle coming from our referee here. Offensive foul was called on the player of the UNC Greyhound, which is Amaro. Now, Olympians basketball.
Now, Basalote to inbound. 46-62 sa ating talahan dito. 16-point lead coming from the UNC Greyhounds. Now, Basalote. Substitute by Francisco of the SDI Olympians. Cario with the ball. 20 seconds to shoot. Pero another foul was whistled here for the UNC Greyhounds. Foul trouble na nga dito ang Greyhounds now. Still ball possession of the SDI Olympians. Francisco now of the Olympians on the free throw line for 2 shots here. 46-62, 7 minutes and 24 seconds remaining. No good for that first one. Now Francisco to try again for the second time. That's good. And now, this is the ball possession of the SDI Olympians. Zamora passes it to Cario. Cario now with 12 seconds to shoot here. Still on the lead ng UNC. Cario tries for 3. No good this time.
Now, UNC Greyhounds basketball. Amaro, itatawid dito ang bola. Passes to Sineta. Sineta, pinilit, no good. Offensive rebound dito para kay Sineta at makakakuha ng 2 points on the side of Greyhounds.
Karyogen. Diretso sa loob. Pero wala dyan. Nagkakainitan na nga dito sa dalawang koponan ng UNC and the Olympians. Six minutes and 39 seconds remaining. As the referee will review the last sequence there. 47-64, still in favor of the UNC Greyhounds. Medyo nakalamang na sila dito sa pagpasok ng third quarter, while the SDI Olympians is still fighting their rhythm. Siyempre, pasalamatan lang din natin ang ating mga sponsors, Elite Sportswear, Bigs, and Havaianas. Maraming salamat. But of course, sa ating live viewers dito sa loob ng Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium. Abangan niyo po mamaya our last matchup. It's the Mariners Blue Dolphins and the NCF Tigers.
Yan, Tin. Hinihintay natin dito on that replay kung ano ba ang itatawag ng ating mga referees. For the meantime, mag-shoutout tayo sa ating mga live viewers na nanunood sa atin live na live sa One Media TV 48 Naga Facebook page and Bucal Facebook page. Shoutout po dito kila Karen K. Escaro, Carla May Calya, Angelina Paharin na nanunood. Happy viewing po. And also, shoutout sa Infante family watching from Ocampo. Thank you so much po and happy viewing.
Now, ball possession po ito ng ating UNC Greyhounds.
Amaro with the ball. Reodique for 3, no good. Offensive rebound dito para kay Tuwazon. Tuwazon for that jump shot and another 2 points added on their side. Now Olympians ball possession ngayon.
But that's a traveling violation committed by the SDI Olympians. Traveling is more fun with Dagayon Travel and Tours.
Riodike. Jump shot was good. Now, ball possession ng Olympians.
Gario. 15 seconds to shoot here. Now with the defense of the UNC, blocked by jersey number 24.
And a whistle coming from our referee here. Amara is down for the UNC Greyhounds. And let's see kung ano ba ang decisions dito ng ating referee. 5 minutes and 34 seconds remaining on our third quarter. 68 against 47. Abante pa rin dito ang UNC Greyhounds. Now, let's acknowledge the presence of our live audiences here sa loob ng ADNU NAGA Gymnasium. Thank you so much po. And abangan natin mamaya ang ating last game for our Sunday matchup. It's the Mariners Blue Dolphins versus the NCF Junior Tiger Cubs. So let's wait on the decisions of our referee here. For the meantime, pasalamatan natin din ang ating mga sponsors. We have the Mangkok's Kinalas, Han Shabu Shabu Buffet Restaurant, Converge ICT Solution, Filipina Shell, Nagayan Travel and Tours, Nagayan Live Your Dreams, Create Memories, NCFB Gallery and Museum, Julia Outdoor Advertising and Printing, Tigers Cafe located at the NCF Main and NCF Annex, NCF Indoor Firing Range, first world-class indoor firing range in Bucal region, SMC Tanaga, NCF Training Pool, and NCF Driving School. Thank you so much po. So the player for the STI committed a foul here. And Amaro will go on that free throw opportunity on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. Jersey number 2 of the STI Olympians. First personal foul ang itatawag dito. Now Amaro on that free throw line. First attempt. A clean basket for him. Another basket para dito kay Amaro. And mapapatawag dito ng timeout ang kupunan ng STI Olympians. 47-70 sa ating talaan. Magbabalik po kami dito lamang sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
We are back here at the ADNU NAGA University Gymnasium para sa pagpapatuloy ng matchup ng STI Olympians and the UNC Greyhounds. Now, ball possession ngayon ng STI Olympians, 47-70 on our scoreboard, still on the lead ang UNC Greyhounds. So 5 minutes and 34 seconds remaining for our third quarter. Now, Cario. Having the ball for the Olympians. Mario now defending the ball against the UNC. Pass it to Zamora. Now Rabang. Air ball.
Now, ball possession ngayon ng Greyhounds. Amaro, itatawid ang bola ngayon. Amaro for 3. And it was good. Another 3 points was added on the side of the Greyhounds.
No Cario ngayon, but still on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. Nagmamadali. Another point for them. Now, pinalaki na nga nila ang kalamangan nila dito sa third quarter. Now, STI Olympians still trying to lessen the gap. As Rabang handing the ball for the Olympians. Pass it to Cario. 10 seconds to shoot here. Cario tries for 3. No good.
Tuwazon, dire-diretso dito para sa Greyhounds at makakakuha ng 2 points. A double-digit lead para dito sa UNC Greyhounds. Now, Olympians. Ball possession ngayon ng kanilang kupunan. Cario with the ball. Now, no good on that. Back to Greyhounds ball possession ngayon. Substitution on the side of the Olympians.
James Suse with the ball. Jose brothers are now inside the court. James passes it to the wrong person. Nagmamadali dito. Jersey number 8 for a layup. No good. Second chance point. Wala pa rin. 24 for the third time. Now, the STI Olympians get it. They have the chance here. 20-point lead. Pass it to Zamora. Now Zamora with 15 seconds to shoot here. No good.
Tuazon passes to Amaro and Amaro with that 2 points. Now Olympians ball possession ngayon. Jose brothers nasa loob ngayon ng hard court para sa Olympian. Amaro with that rebound. Passes to Sineta and Sineta libreng-libre para sa 2 points na yon. 2 minutes na lamang natitira sa ating third quarter and still the UNC Greyhounds is still on top of the lead. Out of bounds ball. Yan, Teen, pasalamatan naman natin ang mga tao dito sa loob ng venue natin. Shout out kay Miss Alex Benemerito na nanunood. Happy viewing po and thank you for your support. Now, Reyudica for 3, no good. Jose ang may hawak ng bola dito para sa Olympians. Jose taking his time. 10 seconds to shoot para dito sa Olympians. Rapi for 3, no good. Saneta, may hawak ng bola para dito sa Greyhounds. Tuazon, no good. Ball possession ngayon ng STI Olympians. Now, another steal coming from the Greyhounds. Sineta, tatawagan dito ng traveling violation. Again, traveling violation is brought to us by NAGA Travel and Tours. NAGA, live your dreams, create memories.
Now, ball possession of the STI Olympians. James Jose handing the ball now. 17 seconds to shoot. Passes to Jerome. Jerome driving inside. And he delivers.
Now, Amaro. Itatawid ang bola dito para sa Greyhounds. Portasio. Passes to his teammate, Treyodique. No good. Pero second chance point para dito kay Seneta and it was good. Now, 55 seconds remaining para sa ating third quarter. Carrio with the ball para dito sa STI Olympians. Carrio for 3, no good. Libreng-libre, pero no good on that. The ball will remain on the side of the Greyhounds. "38 seconds natitira sa ating third quarter. Now, back sa into inbound. Tumira ng 3 pero the plus doon on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. What a great play coming from Tuazon. Basket count at samahan pa ng foul. Tuazon for that free throw opportunity on the side of their team. Offensive rebound, pero no good on that. "20 seconds remaining para sa ating third quarter. Jose with the ball. 10 seconds. Carrio for 3, no good. And that's it. That's the end of our third quarter here at Abante pa rin dito ang UNC Greyhounds. Magbabalik po kami para sa ating huling quarter sa larong ito. Only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
We are back again here at the ADNU NAGA University Gymnasium for the last quarter of the game of the UNC Greyhounds and the STI Olympians. Now, ball possession of the UNC Greyhounds.
Amaro passes to Portasio. Now, Agnas, no good on that. Agnas para sa free throw opportunity on the side of Greyhounds. Now Agnas on that free throw opportunity. A basket for him now. Ball possession ngayon ng STI. Basaliote, itatawi dito ang bola para sa kanyang kupunan. Passes to Rabang. Rabang for that long three, no good. Now, ball possession ngayon ng Greyhounds. Marov tries for that three at makakakuha nga 3-point opportunity now. STI Olympians with the ball. 90-49 sa ating talaan. Abante nga dito ang ating UNC Greyhounds. Now, 14 seconds to shoot. Caryo for that 3 at syempre, bumawi doon sa 3 points na yon si Caryo. Now, 90-52 sa ating talaan. At para makahingi tayo ng update sa side ng Olympians, tawagin natin si Chen, ang ating courtside reporter, para balitaan tayo. Hi, Chen.
Thank you, Rick and team. Approach the final quarter. The Olympians are still trying to close the score against Greyhounds. The coaches hope and remind the players to keep their heads up regardless of the result, and will learn something from this game and their performance. That's it for now. Back to the final.
Still giving their best itong ating STI Olympians now. Ball possession of the UNC Greyhound as jersey number 28. Pass it to jersey number 10 now. 21 tries for 3, no good. Still saves it for the UNC Greyhounds. Jersey number 28 for a second chance point here. 54-92. At para makita yung update all the way from the side of the UNC Greyhounds, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Rain. Hi Rain, anong update natin dyan?
Hello, Rick and team. Play smart and know that your goal for this quarter is to win. Keep playing at magdobling ingat. Avoid unnecessary interactions when you are inside the court. Focus on your defense at all times. So far, the players are in good momentum and they are still in the lead. Hopefully, they will be able to maintain this until the end of this match. Yan muna ang update sa side ng Greyhounds. Back to the
Thank you so much, Rain, sa pag-update. So yun nga, kailangan dito ng consistency ng ating Greyhounds, and they don't need to be complacent here in our fourth quarter. 94-54 sa ating talaan. So yun nga, napatawag ng time to ng ang kupunan ng STI Olympians. Mag-shoutout muna tayo team sa ating mga manonood sa live ng Bucal and 1 Media TV 48 Facebook page. Shoutout dito kay Kayla Casulia na nakatutok sa atin, and also on Cristina Valenzuela, the Governor of CAS Department ng NCF. Happy viewing po.
Na ball possession of the STI Olympians. Malaki na nga dito ang kalamangan ng UNC Greyhounds. 40-point lead. Now, Basalote, pass it to Rabang. No, Rabang. Pero still, by the UNC Greyhounds, Diretso Tito, and another point was committed on their side. Now STI Olympians still doing their best to lessen the gap here. Cario now with the ball. 17 seconds to shoot now on the inside. No good.
Great steal coming from Rabang. In and out ball para dito sa STI Olympians. Now, Greyhounds basketball ngayon. Amaro with the ball. Tuwazon. Another in and out ball para dito. Amaro. 10 seconds to shoot para sa Greyhounds. And a 2-point opportunity para dito kay Amaro ng Greyhounds. Clean basket for his first attempt. No good on that second attempt. Now Cario, dire-diretso dito.
Now Cario holding the ball for the STI. Tries for a jump shot. That's good.
Tuwazon ngayon, may hawak ng bola. Passes to Agnas, and Agnas for that 3 no goal. Grabe naman yon. Basket count samahan pa ng free throw para dito kay Cario on the side of the Olympians.
Now, Cario on the free throw line for his bonus point. 58-97, 6 minutes and 5 seconds remaining here. Now, UNC basketball.
UNC basketball. 14 seconds to shoot. Out of bounds ball. Mapupunta ito sa side ng Olympians. 5 minutes and 46 seconds remaining on our fourth quarter.
Now Cario, di diretso sa loob. No good. Nabaw possession of the UNC Greyhounds. Nagmamadali dito. Pero medyo napatas dyan. So the ball will stay on the side of the STI Olympians with 5 minutes and 32 seconds remaining. 58-97 on our scoreboard. Rosaro now. Pass it to Rabang. 8 seconds to shoot here for the Olympians. Now Cario will go inside. Jump shot. Too short for that one. Now ball possession of the UNC Greyhounds.
Now UNC Greyhounds basketball. Agnas with the ball, passes to Tuazon. Jersey number 12. Traveling violation was called on him.
Now ball possession of the STI Olympians here. 58-97, 4 minutes and 48 seconds remaining here. Now, James Jose with the ball for the Olympians. Passes it to Rabang. Now Rabang tries for a tip 3. No good. Now UNC Greyhounds has the ball. Nagmamadali dito. Jersey number 10 passes it to jersey number 28. 17 seconds to shoot here. Now what will they do? Still on the lead. UNC Greyhounds now tries for 3. No good. Pero the ball will go on the side of the STI Olympians now. James Jose and cramps on the feet. So babalit lang siya dyan na kanyang kapatid na si Jerome Jose. Now still ball possession of the STI Olympians. Zamora passes it to Rabang for a deep 3. But the ball will stay on the side of the STI Olympians with that last sequence. 58-97, 4 minutes and 8 seconds remaining. Mamaya po abangan natin sa ating huling laro for the elimination round. It's the NCF Junior Cubs versus the Mariners Blue Dolphins. Now, still STI Olympians with the ball, but still on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. Nagmamadali dito. Pero the ball will go on the side of the STI Olympians. Rabang to inbound. Pass it here to Jerome Jose. Jerome Jose now with 19 seconds to shoot on the corner. Still no good.
Grabe, libreng-libre on that 2 points si Agnas. Now, Jose, itatawid ngayon ng bola para sa STI Olympians. Zamora on that, no good. Again, napakadaming lamang na dito ng ating UNC Greyhounds kontra STI Olympians. And a timeout was called on the side of the STI Olympians. Magbabalik po kami only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
We are back again here for the last 3 minutes and 6 seconds of the game of the UNC Greyhounds and the STI Olympians. We also want to acknowledge the presence of the president of Bucal, Mr. Mario Villanueva. Now jersey number 3 in and out ball. Still ball possession of the UNC for that second chance point. Now STI Olympians off the score of the UNC Greyhounds. Cario now handling the ball with 16 seconds to shoot here. Cario playing with the UNC Greyhounds player. Pass it to Falabi. Now Falabi with 5 seconds to shoot. Munti ka na mawala. Cario, dip 3. That's good na. Ipasok niya pa yun.
Now, UNC ball possession. Grabe naman. Basket count, samahan pa yan ng free throw. Seneta for that free throw opportunity para sa side ng Greyhounds.
No, Cario. Pass it to Falabi. Tries for 3. No good. Cario again with the last 2 minutes of the game. Di diretso. And another point was given to them. Pumapalakpak na rin ang fans ng UNC Greyhounds. Now UNC on the lead. And no good for that attempt. So the ball will go on the side of the STI Olympians. So Cario is down. I think this is because one of the audience inside the ADNU GYMNASIUM. Now this would be the ball possession of the STI Olympians. Now Rabang tries for 3, no good. The ball will go on the side of the UNC Greyhounds.
Now, ball possession ngayon ng UNC Greyhounds. Offensive rebound dito at makakakuha points Last minute na ng ating laro. And still, UNC Greyhound is on the lead.
Last 46 seconds of the game. Tries on the corner, no good. Rabang for the offensive rebound, wala pa rin. Now tries one more time, that's good. Para dito, kay jersey number 8, Barcia. Now UNC gets another point. The last sequence coming from player number 9. Now, last ball possession here, 22 seconds. 65-109. I think we can safely say here that the UNC Greyhounds got their third win for this season of Bucal against the STI Olympians para sa pagtapos ng ating elimination round. And that's it. That concludes our matchup. 65-109 in favor of the UNC Greyhounds. Sa ating pagbabalik po, makikilala na natin ang ating best player of the game only here at Dragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
The fastest growing fiber internet got even faster. Again! Dahil ang doble na, di noble pa. Converge FiberX Plan 1.5 from 100 Mbps is now 200 Mbps. Doble ulit ang bilis, doble ulit ang sulit. If you're an existing subscriber, automatic upgrade ito. And if you want to make it permanent, just agree to our new terms and conditions. As simple as that, no new application, and it's absolutely free. New Converge FiberX Plan 1.5. Ang dobleng sulit, new offers from Converge. Doble na, di noble pa!
Big or small celebration, make it special, make it big.
The victor first of the second match on the last day of the elimination round this Bucal Season 5, none other than the University of Nueva Cáceres Greyhounds. Now with me is the best player of the game, brought to you by V Gallery and Museum, showcasing artworks made by local artists and the history of NCF and NAGA City. Jersey number 28 with 20 points, 5 rebounds, 4 assists, 3 steals, and 1 block, Mr. John Roy Amaro. So good afternoon and congratulations. So how does it feel that you are the best player of the game?
Masaya po and ano po, hindi ko po ma-explain kung anong naramdaman ko po. Yun know.
And how were you able to maintain your momentum throughout this game?
Ano lang po, siguro yung sinabi po ni coach na tuloy-tuloy lang po sa defense po, especially po. Yun lang.
This is your chance na magpasalamat at mag-shoutout sa mga taong sumusuporta sa'yo.
Gusto ko lang po magpasalamat sa UNC and sa mga coaches namin, sa pamilya ko po, and shoutout na din po sa mga taga-Catanduanes and sa pamilya ko po, sa mga nanonood, kay Nanay Juby po, nasa Abu Dhabi. Nay, yun lang po.
So once again, jersey number 28 with 20 points, 5 rebounds, 4 assists, 3 steals, and 1 block. Congratulations and good luck on your next game. This has been Rain Reyes, your courtside reporter this Bucal Season 5, only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon, and on One Media TV 48 NAGA. That's it for now. Back to the panel.
And that's our best player of the game, jersey number 28. Amaro with 20 points, 5 rebounds, 4 assists, and 3 steals. A great game coming from the UNC Greyhounds. And again, congratulations to the both teams. At mamaya po, abangan natin ang ating last game. It's the NCF Tigers versus the Mariners Blue Dolphins. Kasama niyo pa rin po kami. I am Cristina Alcázar Reyes, and with me,
Rick Puerta, at samahan nyo kami sa ating last game dito sa atin, only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.